Welcome to UGTP. Today, get ready to immerse yourself in a gripping Reddit tale that will keep you on the edge of your seat. Get ready for an emotional rollercoaster as we delve into a heart-wrenching Reddit tale. A devoted father, not biologically related to his 5-year-old daughter, faces an uncertain future as his partner threatens to strip away his parental rights. Join us as we uncover a story of love, dedication, and the complexities of familial bonds. Stay tuned until the end for a surprising twist, and don't forget to hit subscribe to catch more heart-touching narratives like this. Non-biological father of 5-year-old daughter, not legally adopted, I need help. Delaware. Custody, divorce and family. Hello, I'll try to summarize my situation as succinctly as possible. I have reached out to local lawyers for consulting but have yet to find one I can afford. Seeking some advice here in the meantime, even if that advice is that I am out of luck. I, 36M, and my partner, 36F, have a home and 2 daughters together. Our youngest just turned 1, is my biological daughter with my partner. Our oldest, turning 5, is not my biological daughter. My partner had her as an unplanned pregnancy 6 months before we met, and there was no other documented father in the picture, no legal paternal parent. I've been operating as the soon-to-be 5-year-old father for 4+ years of her life. Both our families know me as her dad. Her preschool has me registered as her dad. Her pediatrician has me registered as her dad. I've supported 50% of every element of her life: childcare costs, medical appointments, vacations, food, clothing, toys, leisure, everything. When my partner was pregnant with our now 1-year-old, she drafted a will prior to induction naming me as 5-year-old's legal guardian in the event anything happens to her. This was notarized. 5-year-old knows me as her dad and nothing else. She isn't aware of the biological element. She knows my parents as her grandparents, my siblings as her aunt, uncle. My partner and I have been struggling in couples therapy the past year and are trending towards separating. During conflicts, when upset, my partner brings up that I have no legal rights to 5-year-old daughter as a threat. She has gone as far as to tell me I will never see 5-year-old again. Despite this, I am still actively her dad, and our 1-year-old's dad, every day. My partner will make these threats, but we will continue to operate exactly the same as parents. I'll have my solo time with both girls so she can have space, and vice versa. I still do pickups and drop-offs, medical appointments, breakfast, lunch, dinner, school and clothes shopping, for both girls. When I mention these, you don't have parental rights, threats to my partner's family, they respond very clearly that, you are her dad. I don't know why she would say that to you. We don't support that. I'll stop there, but my question is my partner 100% correct? Despite everything I've described above about being my daughter's only father figure, and an amazing father at that, can my partner just on a whim decide that's not who I am anymore, regardless of what I want, what is best for 5-year-old, and what our family say? Does the fact that I am also her sister's biological dad have any impact on this? I can't believe that I am even writing this out at this point. I know she's not my legal daughter in court, but I've dedicated my life to both children equally. Thanks for your help. As we wrap up this touching story, it's time to share your thoughts and insights in the comments section below. Engage with us and let's discuss the complexities of parental rights and familial relationships in situations like these. Comment 1. The fact you're not the biological father of the older child does play into this. You're not recognized by the courts as the child's father, so you will not default to getting custody visitation. However, it's not unheard of that in situations like yours the non-biological parent can get visitation and child support. That said, this is not a DIY thing at all. Get a lawyer to help with the custody visitation plans and make sure they know of your situation. There's no promise that it will be successful, but a lawyer can help you better your chances. Reply 1. Thank you. Is there ever any sort of human empathy? What actually makes sense, considering in the courts? I have reached out to a few high-rated local lawyers and they have crazy retainers I can't afford. Maybe I haven't reached out to the right one yet, but I'm still looking. How can the best outcome be that 5-year-old and younger sister live together, both knew me as dad their whole lives, but suddenly daddy is only seeing your younger sister and not you? How would that not F up a child's sense of safety and their total foundation of what their family is? Reply to reply. The standard is the child's best interests. The child considers you their father. It's also the best interests of your younger daughter, who would also be negatively impacted by this hair-splitting. Moreover, start a journal of these threats, plus any behavior your wife exhibits that is alienating you from your daughter. Courts tend to look unkindly on attempts to drive a wedge between parents, even in a case like this where the court has not yet made a decision on whether you will be given custody. But you need a lawyer. This is not something you want to DIY. You should also consider what you are willing to give up out of the asset split as a sweetener for your partner to settle. Remember, the longer it drags on, the more it costs both of you. You should consider adoption as part of the final status you are expecting, and make that clear to the lawyer. Comment 2. You're a legal stranger to her. Wife's will doesn't matter. You can't will kids away like property. School doctors don't deep dive into legal father or not. 2 parents who agree and no one makes a fuss are fine. The only way to change this is adoption. You should sit down with a family law lawyer and discuss options, outcomes of scenarios you're curious on. Reply. I want to clarify. Until a court orders otherwise, you are a legal stranger. Reply to reply. OP. Thank you. I feel so stupid and naive for thinking I was secure in my role as her father. I asked about legal adoption in the past and it was always a topic we were both open to, but I never pressed on it. I never imagined being in this position. Reply to reply to reply. This is a common thing to happen. People put it off because other stuff is important. It's easy to justify not spending a couple $1,000s plus dozens to hundreds of hours of time to do a legal adoption when you have 2 small kids. Good luck. Reply to reply to reply to reply. OP. Thanks for your help. My other challenge is my awareness that anything I say or do could be used against me, and so when she outright tells me I'm going to lose my relationship with the 5-yo, needing to stay composed and not react in a way she can document. It's all so fucking hard. Reply to reply to reply to reply. People view family law as something to be won or lost, but that attitude is frequently what leads people into sabotaging yourself. Your lawyer can help you with tips on how to deal with your partner. I would also suggest therapy, if only to give you an outlet to help you maintain your composure. What an emotional journey. Now, it's your turn. What do you think about this devoted father's predicament? Share your opinions, suggestions, and experiences in the comments. Your engagement fuels our community and helps us explore these intricate family dynamics. Don't forget to like the video and be part of the conversation below. Your voice matters.